Hello, I'm here to talk about golden pothos because I was getting some comments and DMs. This is a very common plant in India, and I have the vine form, the smaller leaf size version, and I have planted it in a hanging pot, which I asked my dad to like nail the granite, which got loosened up. So I'm feeling bad for it. I also planted this Haworthia cupreae var truncata, which looks super cute and becomes translucent as it grows. And so if you want to get more variegation in your golden pothos, one way is to keep it under very bright light. It loves bright light. And if you're getting a new plant, get the one that already has variegation. If you are getting a just green plant, there's a good chance that it will not show as much as variation. But if you already have a nice variegation leaves cutting or a plant, you don't have to take too much efforts keeping it more golden. As the season changes, yeah, I have hung it beside Ganesh god. This god, we pray it before every other god whenever we do puja in India. So this is how it looks from top, and spring is coming up, so it will become more bushy. It is less than half bushier than how it is looking as of now. And during monsoon time, the nodes will shoot, the aerial roots will become so big. And if your neighbors are already having this plant, ask for a cutting and choose the one that has this kind of variegation. Okay, don't pick up the leaves that has less variegation. Keep it in bright light. It hardly needs any efforts, it just grows like that. I don't even put a lot of fertilizer. I will be sending this jade plant to someone's house because their plant died. This is Loropetalum, and look, as the spring is coming, it's just showing so bright pink colors. Here is more cuttings that I want to plant in front of a very big pot that's in front of my clinic. So I'm collecting more plants. This is green dragon, which I'm waiting for its leaves to become more mature, but I'm so impressed and feeling so happy that during springtime plants look so nice, so lush, so green. Also, I'm planting this strawberry. My weather is not appropriate, but yeah, these little happiness, I'm proud of these. Okay, so this is all. Just keep it in bright light. It will survive overwatering and underwatering. Golden pothos is such a hardy plant for beginners. I'm planning to bring more plants because they keep me happy. And these were some quick tips. If you like this video, hit like, don't forget to subscribe. I will meet you next time in the next video. Till then, bye.